Coach, first speak with you. Congratulations on this achievement. Alam natin hindi pa ito yung talagang end goal. But how does it feel knowing na ito, nandun tayo sa final?
Yeah, first of all, congratulations to the team, to our team for working hard on it today. Yes, the goal is to have the opportunity to go back to the finals, and with this win, we finally got it. And but the work doesn't stop there. It just gave us the opportunity to be there sa stage na ginugusto namin para maituloy namin yung goal namin of winning another championship or the chance to battle for the championship. And we kind of had a great start today. We jumped on them early. Kind of gave us the confidence that we need to be able to get to our game plan. And then it goes to the players for 10 days kami naghintay maglaro ulit. It's parang mahirap sa isang player yung gano'ng kahabang break. Pero again, part of the challenge is how well we could stay sharp, how well we could stay locked in what we're trying to do. And I thought that we did a good job today of doing that and showing that we could prepare against anybody in the city.
Thank you, Coach. First, let's speak with Angel Estrada. Angel, I guess from a more tenured player's perspective lang, from a veteran perspective siguro, na makabalik kayo dito, alam mo yan, again, look natin na may figure, may higher goal ka kayong gusto ma-achieve, pero at least yung makabalik mo ulit, kamusta lang?
Una-una, masaya kami, not too high, not too low. Lagi kami nilagay ng coaches, job's not done. Wala naman nag-expect sa amin na mag-sip kami, we take it one game at a time. And thank God, mag-sip namin, and then masaya kami na makabalik din kami sa championship. Ilang months namin inantay ito, simula last year sa talo. Yeah, yun yung goal, to win the match.
Shelo, I guess from a rookie's perspective naman, parang meron bang pagkakaiba dun sa perspective ng veterans ay sa'yo as a rookie na ito, makapag-final sa NU yung first year mo nga. Yung chance na champion.
Super happy kasi first year ko tapos nag-focus kami sa my final. So, kaya nga po sa amin natin India na yung president ko. So, talagang universe ko talaga namin na sumawa po kami nasa final ko, winner ko talaga namin. And yeah, hindi ko po tapos yung laban. So, kailangan ko talaga namin.
To Coach and Angel. Coach Angel, first time yung makasweep ng elimination nung nandito na kayo, ikaw bilang head coach and player. Ano lang, Coach, yung feeling na, yun nga, ma-14-0 since yung past 2 seasons, lagi kayo naiisa ng kalaban?
Battery at 80%.
Ang modest goal namin since day 1 of the training camp was to get better on the daily. And we take every game, we prepare for every game, regardless kung sino kalaban namin. We prepare the best way we could so that we could compete. And we always let the results take care of itself. So by doing that, by preparing and by competing, it ends up na sweep namin yung eliminations. But then again, this doesn't mean anything. As of the moment, it just gave us the opportunity to be at the finals. But again, we should be happy with how we conducted the eliminations, and we know for a fact that going to the finals, it will be a different scenario, different atmosphere. But then again, it's just the same basketball game that we should play the right way, and we aim to win. Ganun yung mindset ng bawat sabi. We don't look at the results right away. We manage, we try to manage what are the things needed for us to get those wins that we need to be able to be here at the finals.
Kaya ko lang sinabi ni Coach Alex na we take daily by daily, and I'm happy na under Coach Alex na-sweep namin yung season. And yun yan, nothing to celebrate. This is not a goal.
Yes.
And sana
Pero, yun nga, nabanggit ni Coach Aris kanina, 10 days off kayo. Yun yung mahirap na challenge kapag medyo mahaba yung pahinga. Staying sharp. This time, dahil outright finals na kayo, magkakaroon din ulit kayo ng long break, long lull. Paano nyo lang rin papanatiliing ready para pagdating ng finals, hindi maging factor yung kalawang?
Siguro, hindi kami magiging kapante. Siyempre, 10 days na yun. So, yung mga test namin ngayon is pwede namin magawa ng paraan. So, para pagdating ng finance, hindi namin mahirapan and makakaganda sa
Coach, pero from coach's perspective naman, paano nyo lang din iti-take yung step ladder training? Bilang medyo mahirap yun kasi hindi nyo pa talaga mapipinpoint sino kaagad yung mga kalaban.
Yeah, it will boil down to our preparation, and syempre lahat na naglalaro ngayon will be scrutinized by us, tignan namin on how they play right now, and that will be part of the preparation moving forward. Kasi hindi pa nga natin na, pero again, we'll prepare for each of the schools that will be left there, and we'll try our best to again keep everybody sharp and locked in. Kasi there's probably 2 weeks, more than 10 days, so we will devise a plan on how we would break down things on this day moving forward to our first game in the country.
Yun nga, Indian jobs na done, walang relax, pero how do you like lang yung chances ng NU getting that throne back, getting that championship back?
One foot inside.
One foot inside. One foot inside, one foot goal. And yun nga po, hindi namin alam sino mga kalaban namin. No place for complacency talaga. Yes. That long break gives us a chance na to work as a team and as an individual.
Coach, last one na lang if I may. Medyo mag-look back na tayo na all set. Siguro from game number 1 of the season to game number 14, what's been the biggest change or what's been the main factor siguro that has kept the team together para makakuha ng ganitong natin?
I think our commitment to really getting a chance to bounce back this year, I think that's the parang added motivation for us to really stay locked in and really work on our game in preparation dun nga sa championship na pinupunta namin ngayon. Pero from game 1 to until this final game, I'm just proud of how committed everyone sa team namin, embracing the roles that given to them and always competing, major practice. Sa practice namin, they go at each other, first group, second group, third group. They're really on it every day. They're really fighting for excellence and for supremacy so that everyone will be ready. That's what I'm proud of this team, and hopefully we could build on that, and hopefully that goes a long way. Yung competitiveness namin, yung competitive spirit namin on the daily, madala namin sa final season.